Hey everyone, this is Alpaco, and I just wanted to do a quick update on, just do a quick video. I've been sick all week, so I just haven't really been able to do one, or think of one. So I just made a list of things that I wanted to talk about and discover, and I'm not gonna edit anything, I'm just gonna run it all straight through. The first thing is Canon actually has a let me look at it again. They've patented a Micro Four Thirds lens. It's a 17 to 170 with an aperture of 2.2 to f4.6. Now, I don't know anything more about that lens. It could actually be for their next G series, but I honestly think it's going to be for their next XC series camcorders, which they used to be only 1-inch sensors, but it looks like they might actually step up to a Micro Four Thirds sensor, which could also be in their G series point and shoots. But those G series point and shoots typically do have Sony sensors, so whether or not it's going to have a Sony sensor. The XC series, though, they do have 1-inch Canon sensors, and I've actually been really interested in the XC camcorders for a long time. I am just attracted to fixed lens camcorders, and I like the shape and functional look of the XC series. I never really got it just because that's not really, while I'm interested in the body and I'm interested in what it can do, it doesn't really give anything new to me that I already have available now, so I just never got one. But the XC20 was supposed to have internal RAW and a lot of functionalities in the higher end C series cinema cameras in Canon's lineup, so I don't know. We'll see where it goes. I'm just excited that Canon has a patent on a Micro Four Thirds lens. Whether or not they're actually going to do a Micro Four Thirds sensor is a whole nother story. I really do hope that, because if you remember, or if you did watch, if not, I'll link it somewhere. I had a dream cinema camera with a Canon made Micro Four Thirds sensor. So the next thing is I actually just got a new roll of film. Oops. I should have already had this set up, but that's all right. This is the film. And I told myself I'm going to record or shoot one roll every single month, and there was a lot of talk about black and white film or sensors on Olympus cameras, and well, this is the next best thing, I think. I'm going to be shooting on this, so that's going to be a fun times. I originally wanted to shoot on the Canon ML, but it's broken. The shutter is broken. I don't know how to fix it yet, but hopefully I'll be able to fix that soon to be able to use it. The last thing I wanted to talk about is Peter Forsgård's 52 photos in a year assignment. If you're not doing that, I highly recommend doing that. I just did I'll show you my photo of the first week, and then I already just finished my second photo. I actually have an idea for these photos, and at least for these first few sets, but I won't talk about it now. I'll talk about it in a future video. That's really all I have. So hopefully this was a good update Thanks for watching, and have a great day.